ASM AI Fest. The journey with AI is now turning into mastery.
Day 8 of ASM AI Fest reflects growing confidence and clarity. Ideas are no longer just concepts. They are turning into direction. Understanding is deeper, conversations are sharper, and artificial intelligence is becoming part of real thinking.
School. Young learners stepped forward with sharper questions and fearless imagination. Junior college. Students confidently explored advanced AI concepts with clarity and curiosity. Management college. Management minds applied AI thinking to solve real-time business challenges. Engineering college. Engineering explored how precise intelligence can enhance intelligent system design and purpose. ASM AI Fest continues to transform learners into future-ready innovators.